Hi, Cami here. I am the real human and dietitian behind Nutrition for Real Humans, and I'm here to tell you my 2 cents about nutrition goals. I know it's New Year's right now, and everyone's making New Year's resolutions, or not. You can make one or not. I'm not here to tell you about that, but I do know a lot of people use this time to think about nutrition goals. So I'm going to tell you my 2 cents as someone who's made nutrition goals and who has spent time working with probably thousands of people making nutrition goals. 1. Nutrition goals are hard. Changing anything that you're used to doing or not used to doing is difficult. That's just a fact of life. I know that from my experience personally and from my experience professionally. So 2 things. 1, start small. This is not a new concept. Lots of people talk about making small, achievable goals. But I'm going to tell you that if you make a goal that you're 95% sure you will do, and you achieve it, it's going to give you confidence and motivation to make your next goal. So don't be afraid to make a tiny goal that seems really even stupidly small or stupidly easy. It's okay. Of course, it's good to have big goals that you're looking for, but use that to choose a small goal. Like, if you want to lower your cholesterol, think like, I'm going to start choosing a whole grain bread instead of a white bread. Or if you want to eat healthier, maybe you are going to start eating a fruit with breakfast when you don't now. The second thing is give yourself credit, because nutrition goals are difficult to accomplish. Change is hard. If you make a change and it's in the direction you want to go, celebrate that, even if it's not all the way to where you want to be. If you eat more fruits than you used to and that's towards your goal, if your cholesterol lowers a little bit, or even if you are making changes that will lower your cholesterol but you haven't seen a change in the numbers yet, especially if it's not been that long, give yourself credit, do something to celebrate, and then use that celebration energy to make your next goal. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Sometimes it can be difficult to break down a big, scary goal like that, and that's what professionals are here for. A good dietitian or a good personal trainer or a good therapist will be able to break down those big goals into small steps that you can do today. So if you need help, especially if it's on the meal planning, cooking side, I can help you with that. Otherwise, don't be afraid to reach out to a professional. They love helping people who are motivated and just need a little help figuring out what the practical steps are. Anyway, that's me signing off. Happy New Year!